In the world of futuristic finance, one of the most talked about ideas is spaceship investing, a modern, automated way to grow wealth through diversified portfolios. For beginners, it's not just about throwing money into the market, it's about choosing a simple, smart, and sustainable plan that builds long-term value with minimal stress. Spaceship makes this possible by removing the complexity often associated with investing. The Spaceship Invest platform allows anyone to start with as little as $5, offering professionally managed portfolios designed to match your risk tolerance and goals. It's built for people who don't have the time to track every stock or understand every market movement. Instead, experts handle the selection and balancing of assets, focusing on innovative companies shaping the future, think technology, sustainability, and global impact. For a beginner, the best plan is the Spaceship Voyager Growth Portfolio. It targets high-potential companies driving progress in industries like renewable energy, digital infrastructure, and advanced health technologies. While it comes with moderate risk, it's designed for long-term growth and steady compounding over time. You simply set up an account, choose your plan, and automate regular contributions weekly or monthly. Consistency is key. The earlier you start, the more power compound growth has. Spaceship also gives full transparency, no hidden fees, no confusing terms, and easy access to track your performance in real time. You can withdraw anytime, but the real benefit comes from letting your investments grow untouched for years. Spaceship Invest Plan for beginners is one that balances growth with simplicity. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. Over time, your disciplined contributions will turn small amounts into significant results, without stress or constant market watching. The future of investing is simple, automated, and accessible. And Spaceship makes it possible for anyone to take off.